Hi everyone, today's video is going to be from Gap Factory Store. And as for reference, I am 5'3" and around 125 pounds. I wear a size small in shirts and 27 in pants. So knowing that going forward, let's go ahead and get into this video. This first top is a thermal sweater. The material is 55% cotton, 40% nylon, and 5% acrylic. It's a V-neck with a waffle knit pattern on it that gives that thermal shirt feel. The sleeves are a good length on me, and there is a slit on the sides. The back is longer than usual, but not too long, making it nice to side tuck or front tuck into jeans or trousers. As you can see, this off-white sweater is thin and see-through, even with a nude bra underneath. This was a deal breaker for me, and I did not keep it. This sweater also comes in deep cobalt blue, classic camel brown, rugby gold, potpourri pink, true black, fern green, heather dove, cranberry, and a dull pink rose. I downsized to an extra small in this because when I was at the store and I held it up, it looked to be a bit big, but I will have another size, my usual size small in a black later on in this video for reference. I picked up this black t-shirt while I was at the store because it's such a great fall and winter essential piece. I'm on the lookout for one that will last me longer than a year. And sadly, I don't think that this is the one. It's 100% rayon, which makes it soft, but not very stretchy. It has a crew neck collar and the sleeves are a longer cut. I have quite skinny arms and find that there is not a lot of room in the sleeves. I know a lot of women who are picky about that. So if you are too, then this is not the one for you, but stick around because I have another tee coming up that you might like better. The length of this comes down over my hips, but definitely not long enough to wear with leggings. And if you do like this t-shirt, but you're not a fan of black, they also have this t-shirt available in navy, light gray, and white. And they also have petite and tall sizes as well. Let's move on to the jeans that I have on. These are 70% cotton, 29% polyester, and 1% elastane. Since these do have stretching materials in them, you should definitely not put them in the dryer with heat because it will ruin the fabric and the stretch. I'm wearing my usual size 427, but these also come in petite sizes. I'm a huge fan of Gap jeans, but these feel far below my expectations. I didn't like the material because it seemed a little scratchy and itchy, and the waist definitely didn't fit me either. I usually find it hard to find jeans that fit my legs and my waist at the same time. Usually, which is the case with these, the pants will fit my legs but will be too big for my waist. If you have the exact opposite problem, then these will be perfect for you to try. With that being said, I do like the look of them rolled up, but not so much when it's unrolled. What do you think? Do you like these? This t-shirt is the one I was referring to earlier. It's part of Gap Factory's Luxe T-shirt line. The material is 100% rayon, like the last one, making it soft and a tiny bit stretchy. I like this one way better than the last. The way it falls in this slinky way makes it very wearable and forgiving. The sleeves are different than what I'm used to. There's plenty of room in them, but they are definitely shorter than what you might be comfortable with. For me, I find it to be very comfortable. However, the deal breaker for me is that this is see-through. I like for my basic white tees to be very opaque. If you do like this t-shirt and want it in a different color, then let me show you what they have available. There's a sage green, pink, army green, burgundy, rose gold, and black. Just because the white is see-through doesn't mean that the other colors are as well. It's definitely something to check out if you're interested. Coming back to the thermal V-neck sweater. Again, this is a 55% cotton, 40% nylon, and 5% acrylic material. It also comes in a deep cobalt blue, classic camel brown, rugby gold, potpourri pink, true black, fern green, heather dove, cranberry, and a dull pink rose. I really liked this one better. At my usual size small, I don't think that the fit is much different than the extra small. The sleeves might be a tiny bit longer, but that's about it. If you remember from earlier, the white version was see-through, but this black version is not, which makes me think that maybe the other colors might not be as well. This would be a nice staple piece in anyone's closet. I would wear this front tucked or untucked. I also think that this would look really nice with a crisp white button-down collared shirt underneath it, and style it with jeans or even a skirt if you're going for work. This 100% cotton cardigan was my favorite piece of the whole lot. If you've watched my videos for a while, then you know how much I love clothes that are 100% cotton. In my opinion, they last longer than other pieces and they feel so much better on my sensitive skin. This cardigan fit great. The sleeves are a nice length and not too tight around my biceps. The length falls to mid-thigh and has great knitted details all around. As you can see, it has extra material around the collar, which makes it lay very nicely. This is also available in dull pink rose, vamp red, classic camel brown, true black, and fern green. Underneath the cardigan, I have a white scoop neck bodysuit. It's 96% cotton, 4% spandex, giving the material a little bit of stretch. The bodysuit is bikini cut, not thong cut, so you do have that potential of having a panty line in the back. If that is a deal breaker for you, then definitely just skip over this. I found this to be very comfortable and wearable. I also found the scoop neck flattering as well since it's not too revealing. The white is only available in the stores, but I have linked the heather gray. Last and certainly least are these high-rise jegging jeans. They are 71% cotton, 27% polyester, and 2% elastane spandex. I'm starting to think that this is where Gap's failed jeans go to live because these did not work for me whatsoever. They look okay in this video, which is very misleading because you cannot see all the material around my waist. Again, if you are someone that has trouble finding pants that fit your waist perfectly without it being too baggy around your legs, then these might be for you. On the flip side of that, I have more athletic, muscular legs, so I find that if it fits my legs, it's usually too baggy around my waist. The only thing I liked about these jeans was the light distressing around the knees. It's very minimal, which would be very great for colder weather. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. And if you want to subscribe, don't forget, it's completely free. I don't have a current upload schedule, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be notified each and every time I upload. Thanks so much.